What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we are checking out the Westgate Casino and Hotel. Now, their setup is really cool considering it's a casino. On the left, you have the slot machines, the table games, and registration. In the middle on the right, when you walk in, you have a nice little photo opportunity with a nice backdrop. And then on the right, you also have extra seating that any age can sit at, because the seating is not on a casino floor, so technically any age should be able to sit there. This here is a bar, but on the right side over here next to the seating area is this little stage where they had live music playing, so that was actually really cool. This is their registration, and as you can see, it's pretty roomy. If you go down the hallway on the left side, then you will run into the shuttle, and you could take the shuttle as long as you show a room key to show that you stay here at the Westgate. Otherwise, I'm not sure if you can take the shuttle because that's the only thing that the sign said for it. They also have an Elvis statue next to their registration, so that was pretty cool. If you keep walking down their hallways, though, you'll run into this little Starbucks-inspired cafe alongside a frozen yogurt self-serve and their gift shop. Their gift shop is pretty spacious, if you ask me, and they have quite a lot of variety. And it's also next to the guest services. They'll help you if you're lost in the casino or if you have questions about shows. Now they have 2 additional hallways, and it's pretty self-explanatory, these hallways. The makeup brand Liqueur. Across from that, you have a store called The Strip, which sells Elvis-themed and Elvis-inspired merchandise. You also have a technology store across the way from that. And these stores are open. We definitely just caught them on their break because I ran into a chapel and a wedding chapel, and the woman just had to go on break. But they also have a socks store, which I am obsessed with socks, so I love this store. And they have a Garden of Zen store, so that's just a store with the rocks and the stones and the meaningful energy aroma stuff. They also have a lot of clothing stores, so Katie's Island Shop sells bikinis and pool essentials. This #Vegas store is pretty cool because you could get customized shirts along with whatever their small little gift shop has to offer. And across the way from that is the Nation, which, if you don't know, is the Raiders Nation store. So that's really cool too if you're a Raiders fan. And this is the sign I was talking about earlier when it comes to the shuttle. It says that it's located at the North Tower entrance, and you have to show your Westgate Las Vegas room key. So keep that in mind too. And they also have a little arcade area for your kids. It's called Fun Zone. And it's just got a lot of games, and honestly it reminds me of a miniature Dave & Buster's. And next to that is a wedding chapel, so you can literally go drop off your kids and then go get married. So, that's pretty convenient. Next door to the chapel is a Rockin' Ink company, where it's basically just a tattoo company. You can go in and get tattoos as well. And what's really cool about this is that a lady was actually getting her tattoo done. You could see it in the mirror in the middle of your screen right there. But she was actually getting it done. So that was really cool to watch somebody go get their tattoo done. On the left side is a cafe and then more slots. They do have table games, and I was honestly surprised by how crowded their table games were to begin with. Across the way from the tables is the Salon, which is a bar and lounge, and then next to that is a gift shop and showroom dedicated to the Manilow. Manilow show is definitely what the Westgate is known for. It's probably one of their most popular shows, but they do offer other shows at the Westgate, and when they do, it would be this little showroom right here. So basically, if you're going to go see Soul of Motown, The Magic of Jenny Kramer, or The Bronx Wanderers, then definitely it would be that showroom right there. Here's another close-up of the lounge that I showed you earlier that had the live music playing, and they also have a bar. This seating is for adults because it's technically next to a bar and part of that seating, so obviously minors can't be there. But there's also another hallway that's dedicated to just restaurants. So here we have a Benihana themed restaurant, and it was closed at the time, but I promise you all of their restaurants are open. They definitely have a wide variety when it comes to the prices of the restaurants that they have to offer, because earlier they had the cafe on the left side. Now they have the Benihana's Village, They have Fresco Italiano, which is obviously an Italian spot. And I love how it's all sit-down restaurants too. Straight ahead is a restaurant called The Edge, which is basically just a steakhouse. And then to the right of that would be where the convention center is and all of their conference rooms. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, the entry into the Westgate Sportsbook. This sportsbook is the biggest sportsbook in the entire world. It's even bigger than the Circa's sportsbook. So first of all, I just want to say on the left side, they do have a buffet. It's on the left side. It's called Fresh Buffet. That is open. Again, it is open. On the right side, they have their tournament slots, their poker room, and a food court all the way in the top right corner. So they do have a food court, and people under 21 can be there too because it's a food court. And that's the restaurants that are in their food court. But thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts on the Westgate or any other videos you think I should do. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!